Stay to the side.
Should we help her?
Oh my gosh.
Why have I always been a wrong sizer? It's like asking, why is the sky blue? Why does a woodchuck chuck wood? No! It just does. Sure, there are their downfalls, but at least with wrong sizing, I always have enough. I mean, there's this saying about change. It's, people can't change who they are. Okay. I am a wrong sizer. That's who I am. Or at least so I thought. Until one day, my floss came. That box. No wasted space, no extra cardboard, no jungle of packing material. It was perfect. And then it hit me. If a box can be right-sized, I can right-size everything. The efficiency, the sustainability, the customization. Who is responsible for this sorcery?
Pack size.
Pack size?
Yeah.
Pack size inspired me. I still have a memento from my first package. Look, I have it. It's the right size now.
Proud of you.
Yes, I love it. I love it. It's the right size. It's the right size.
Make custom right-sized boxes for anything. Pack size.